Spoken word. Thank you. Thank you for giving me something to mark on my calendar and know where I will be or should be for a good part of the year. Thank you for exposing me to things I like, things I get, things I'm not sure of, and things I just don't follow at all. Thank you for broadening my horizons, alerting me to issues I should be aware of, for raising my consciousness. Thank you for making an Asian American gathering seem natural, seem needed, and right. Thank you for not requiring me to explain what is Asian American art, what is Asian American music, or what is Asian American expression. Because we come here, we see it happen, and that is explanation enough. Thank you for building community and welcoming all into it. Thank you for building something I'd been searching for over 10 years and found minutes from my birthplace. Something that lit a fire and fuels my pyre. Something that laid precedent for spin-offs, run-offs, offshoots, offspring, new things and beginnings. You know, a breeding ground of ideas. I don't claim to understand everything you are about or everyone who is a part of this. I don't claim to be down where you are from or hip to where you are going. I just say that I appreciate what I see, what I hear, what I experience. I appreciate being allowed a glimpse into this community and to feel a part of it. We may not always speak the same language, see with the same perspective, or like the same things, but still I thank you for being here, for continuing to being here, and for giving me, us, something to guide, something to make me strive, something to keep us alive. Thank you, Tuesday Night Cafe.